What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? How you doing? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing, you guys? I miss you so much. Yes, you guys, I know I have not seen you in a couple of days. I miss you. How you doing? What's up? What's up? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love you guys. Don't forget, click a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, we love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Leave a comment, click the bell. You'll get a video notification every time I make a video, which is like every 30 seconds. Okay. So you guys share the video. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for getting me to over 10,000 subscribers and climbing. We're probably at 11,000. I don't know because I'm on vacation. So today I am on location, Michigan. Michigan, you guys, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Yes, your SkinnyBoyRandy made it to Zone 5. I'm 2 zones away from my hometown, and we are here with Miss Diane Smith from Grand Rapids, Michigan, born and raised. You guys, give her a hand like I really have a studio audience. Hi, you guys. You know I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. So, yes, we're here in Zone 7, Michigan, Virginia, and we're going to be starting some seeds today. But first, let's talk to our special guest, Miss Diane Smith. Don't forget to do your social distancing. You see that? She over there. Back up. Tell them, Diane. Back up. How are you today, Diane?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I am doing great. Hopefully, can you move your mask down just a little bit for this interview?
Like,
see, she like me, y'all. We don't play that. Ain't nobody got time to be going to the emergency room because we ain't got no money. We ain't got no money, okay? So, how is it living in Michigan? Grand Rapids, as a matter of fact.
It's wonderful. I've lived here my whole life.
Wow. Yes. How is it weather-wise? Like, do you guys get 4 seasons or?
Yes, we get 4 seasons. And
how is your summer and spring and fall?
The summer, we sometimes have our 3 months and sometimes we have 2. Our spring is beautiful. It's cold sometimes, but most of the time it's beautiful.
Tell us about the cold.
Whew, that's winter time. We got snow, we got snow, we got snow, and we have ice.
Okay. So today, this is her first time starting a garden, right?
Yes.
And why would you like to start a garden?
Just to have some fresh vegetables of my own.
Told you guys.
Pesticides and stuff. It's my own thing.
So she's going to be organic. You heard her. No pesticides. No pesticides. So today, we're going to start some seeds from scratch. From beginning to end. From the rooter to the tutor. Okay. So, Diane, I'm going to let you get started. First of all, tell us, where did you get these pots?
Oh, I bought those from Meyer.
Myers, what is that?
It's a department. Nope, it's a grocery store. It's a department store, yes.
Okay,
it's
department store, grocery store, all that.
Everything in it, yes.
Okay, okay. And how much did these run, if you don't mind?
They were on sale for $4.54. They were regular $6.99.
$4, you guys. Ain't nobody got no money. I told you. Take what you have and make it work. Okay. So first of all, what you want to do, get your pots. So this is hers and this is mine. And we're going to start this together. First of all, most important, you need drainage. Okay? You need drainage in all of your pots. So what you want to do is get a drill or even a screwdriver. If you don't have a screwdriver, use a knife. Don't let kids do this, you guys. Parents, if you have a knife and you have to use a butter knife and jam it in there and twist it, you know what I mean, okay? You know how you used to get that door unlocked in your bedroom? Do the same thing, okay? So, but we have a professional driller. Yes, you guys, we're live on set here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We have a professional driller. Now, what he's gonna do is drill holes in this container, and we're just going to give you a brief demonstration on one of the holes and how easy it is to do. Watch our driller. Did you see that? Voila. Thank you, driller.
Thank you. You're welcome.
We appreciate our driller, you guys. We love you. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I'm coming to you live from Grand Rapids, Michigan. So today we're going to start some lettuce and some peas. Now these are from Green Valley. You could order them on Amazon. And this is Zone 5, you guys. So this is something totally different from me, for me. She is in a totally different zone than Zone 7. So we have to base what we do off of her zone. Okay? So first what we're going to do is fill up our containers with soil. These containers actually, look you guys, look at these containers. Hopefully we can find these back in Zone 7 in Richmond, Virginia. They come with their own self-reservoir, which it fits down in there, and your plants will never drown because the water will seep down here, but it will also gather under this piece here. Now this is a 14-inch container, so use what you have. If you have a smaller container, use what you have, make it work, okay? Okay. So first of all, we're gonna need our professional soil pourer, okay? You know I do it myself at home. Pourer! Oh, he's here early. So we're gonna pour our soil, leaving about 1 inch from the rim.
1 inch from the rim.
Yep. You need a little bit more in there, professional pourer. And now this one. Look, you guys. See? We're leaving it about 2.5 inches around the pot because you don't want your soil to overflow, and we're going to have to put more soil on top of this once we plant our seeds. So this is perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you guys, we have our soil. We have our drainage holes at the bottom. This is very quick, simple, and easy, you guys. You know how we do. We make it work. Now this is I have a great helper, y'all. Come on, Diane. Sit down and just tell the people what you just said.
You didn't tell them about the potting soil.
About the potting soil. Now we have a 3-month fertilizing potting soil. That is a great point. A lot of people don't realize the difference between potting soil and ground soil. Now what we have here, thank you Cora for coming back. We'll have to pay him overtime, you guys. Okay, okay. So send a super chat on my live. But this is a potting soil here, and it's a 3-month to 4-month feeder. Now what that means is it's going to feed your seedlings 3 to 4 months throughout the growing season, and these only take about 3 to 4 months to maturity. Okay, so she has the perfect potting soil, but use what you have. If you don't have a self-fertilizing potting soil, use what you have, you guys. If you have to use the ground out of your dirt, okay, okay. So what we're going to do is very simple and easy. We're going to keep this short and sweet for you guys. I'm going to give her the peas, and I'm going to do the lettuce. Now peas are a cool and hot weather crop. You can plant them in the springtime and they'll grow 80 days later. You can plant them in midsummer and they'll give you a wonderful fall harvest. So show the people the peas. You can walk up on the camera. Those are your pea seeds, you guys. Now we have a 14-gallon container. So she's going to plant about 8 seeds around in a circle. Around in a circle. And space them about 2 inches apart.
Okay. Push it down?
Not yet.
Okay.
Because we're going to show the people what you're doing. You see that, you guys? It doesn't take much to start your garden. Get up, grow something. You can do it. This is her first garden, you guys. Okay. You can put one more. Yep. And then put a couple in the middle. There you have it. She just planted her first set of peas. Now, what you want to do is gently cover your seeds with the soil, one at a time. Oh, okay. Gently press over. Okay. There you go. See how she's doing that, you guys? You don't want them too deep, but you want them covered. Okay, now you want to water thoroughly. And you see the sprinkler she's using? Very good, very good. Let that sit. Let your water drain all the way to the bottom. Now you see how it's totally saturated? Now you see peas left. Push those down just a little bit. And cover, yes. And cover. A little more water. You see that, you guys? Bam. She just planted her first set of peas. See that? Now you want to sit this in a very sunny area. That way they will get all the nourishment they need from the sunlight. So let's follow her and see what she sees. The spot she chose. For here, there's no trees above it. And here it is. So now let's get started with the lettuce. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. Oh, these are smaller.
They are very small. Show the people how small they are. Now, with your lettuce seeds, what you do is you sprinkle. You take your lettuce seeds and you sprinkle, just like you're sprinkling a seasoning on your food. There you, perfect. You sure you haven't done this before? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sprinkle it up because you want this bed to be full of lettuce.
Okay.
Yes, there you go. There you go. You sprinkle as much as you like. There you go. Now with lettuce, all you need to do is mix it all in the soil.
Like that?
Uh-huh. Get it all in there. Yeah. Not too deep, just kind of covering it up.
Okay.
And then we're going to water thoroughly.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Perfect. And water again. Now, you guys, we are in the first week of August, which is going to give us 12 weeks before our first frost. Maybe longer for Michigan. Okay, going to water one more time because the water looks like it's all the way down, but really it's just sitting on top, and then it really has to go down. You see, you guys? You see how easy that is? And this is our first time planting seeds. And there you have it. It's your gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, coming to you live from Michigan, Virginia. You want to make sure you put these in a sunny location, just like we did the ones before. This is Diane Smith. Remember, you guys, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. You guys are the best. Grow something today. Look what she just did. First time, you guys. First time. Yep. And we're going to follow her progress. She'll send us photos, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best.